Are you tired of apps and programs slowing down the startup process of your Windows 11 PC or laptop? Worry not, as in this video, we're going to fix just that. Press the Windows and I keys to open Settings. Navigate to Apps. Now click on Startup. Turn off the toggle switch for the programs that you don't want from running at startup. Once you complete the steps, the apps will no longer run automatically on startup, speeding up the startup process. It's important to note that there's not a specific list of apps you should disable. Instead, you should turn off those apps that can have more impact on performance and disable as many apps as possible. You can also disable startup programs by using the Task Manager as well. Press the Control-Shift-Escape keys to open the Task Manager. Now navigate to the Startup tab. In here, select the program and right-click on it. Now click on Disable, and that's it. This video is guaranteed to help you disable programs running at startup in Windows 11. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.